Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about my winter skincare routine, and I have not applied any makeup on my skin. As you can see, this is my skin without any makeup, and I've been using these products for some time, and I want to give you my thoughts on it. I do keep changing my skincare routine according to the requirements I feel of my skin. So yeah, let's get started. Now my morning routine is very simple. I use just one or two like cleansers, whatever like I am feeling on that day. I use it. This is the Pixie Glow Tonic Cleanser. This is a very like a mild cleanser for your skin. It is good for mildly gently cleansing your face, especially if you have sensitive skin, normal skin, dry skin. I do have this, and I use it only in the morning, not at night, because this is like very gentle on your skin, which is perfect for mornings. Again, the same goes with the Cetaphil Gentle Foaming Cleanser, and this is like perfect for all skin types. So this is what I use in the morning to remove my skincare and the makeup which has been applied last day. You know what I mean? So this is what I use in the morning. That's pretty much it for the cleansers. Now I am moving to toners. Sometimes I do use toners, sometimes I don't, but the current one which I am using is the Arise Beauty Skin Refining Toner. So this is how it looks, and I think it also has glycolic acid in it. So this is the one, and I have almost finished it up, which is a really good toner. By the way, it feels good on your skin. It feels fresh, nothing too fancy. It does not also have a scent, which is also a great thing. So yeah, that's one from Arise Beauty. Now for my serum, so let me tell you this skincare regime that I have been following for some time now. So I had really bad acne back, from, I would say, from July till September. I would say like till October. I had the worst acne, probably because of stress and all of the other stuff which was happening. I gained, so like the amount of acne I had this year was, I think, more than any harsh acne I've ever had in my life. It was very painful, and it was, not, it was not like my complete face was filled with acne, but like there were so many marks over here that it was so painful. It was like very big and pussy and all of that. So I took it on myself to start using chemical exfoliants and all of those products. I did my entire research on it, and I started using those products to balance out my skin from going crazy. So what I did was I used chemical exfoliants, chemical based, active ingredient based products at night, and in the morning I gave my skin a break. And it is very important to give your skin a break, especially when you're using chemical exfoliants such as AHAs, BHAs, vitamin B3, which is niacinamide, which I'm going to talk about later in this video, and retinols. So I gave my skin a break in the morning, and for the morning I use only hydrating products which are going to, which do not have these active ingredients, which are going to calm my skin and hydrate it and prepare it for the nighttime skincare routine. So for the morning I use the Hungarian water essence by Believe, and this is how it looks. It is the perfect serum if you have extremely dry skin. This is going to save your life. I have dry acne prone skin, and it has helped me so much. It moisturizes and hydrates my skin really well, and it's not really too, I would say, oily, and it does not leave your skin feeling very like it does not show off that your skin has a lot of moisture in it. You can see I'm wearing it right now, and my skin does not look too much like, like you cannot feel like there is too much of product. It seeps into your skin really well. So that's what I've been using currently. There is also the Belief other essence which I have, numero 10 essence. I use that, but currently as of now I'm using that. Both of them work really well. Now for my moisturizer, I do tend to go back and forth between the Lakme one and the Chia Seed one, and the both of their consistency, both of like the formulation and how it seeps into your skin is very like similar. This is like a gel based cleanser, and again the Belief the Face Shop one is the same thing. Again, this moisturizes my skin so well. Again, the Lakme one moisturizes skin so well. This gives such a good cooling effect on your skin. I cannot even tell you how good that is, and such a affordable moisturizer, it does the job really well. Same goes with Face Shop. This is my second chia seed moisturizer and I swear by this product. I know it is a bit expensive, but trust me, it is worth the hype. From the entire chia seed range, I have loved this like moisturizer more than than their toners, then their face mist, all of that. I love this the most. Also, the texture of it is so unique. It is literally very similar to the Lakme one. This hydrates your skin so much more, and also this has vitamin B12. Again, I am wearing this one today. It seeps into my skin like literally nothing. It gives like a good matte finish to my skin without feeling dry, and hydrates my skin really well. So that's about it for like my morning skincare routine. I do not go crazy because my nighttime skincare routine is pretty much a full dose of good things to my skin, and it is kind of heavy on my skin. That's why I don't go all out in the morning. I just use these products, and yeah, that's it. Oh, and by the way, for my lip balm, I use this morning and night. This is the Himalaya Rich Cocoa one, and I also use the Vaseline Cocoa one. Now coming on to my nighttime routine, as I said, I have started incorporating AHA, BHA, niacinamide, retinol. I have researched everything about them. I have some of their products, and I have been using that. So previously, when I started getting acne, I started using AHAs, but that wasn't just enough. Literally, I could you not. It was too much to a point that AHAs were like not working that fast, and I wanted it to work faster for my skin. So when I wanted it to work at a faster rate, I used the ordinary niacinamide 10% and the zinc 1% for 1 month. I have uploaded a video on my reels on how this helped me like quickly remove my acne scars and my pigmentation and redness and spots. As you can see over here, like the scars are fading away very much, and the niacinamide played a very big role in that. So now, as my scars have went away, I've decided to stop it because it's already gone, and I want to take some other precautions as well. In the night time, if I am wearing makeup, I always remove my makeup with the Bioderma micellar water. This is the best micellar water, hands down. Nothing has literally ever beaten this micellar water. This removes makeup flawlessly, even waterproof mascara, all of that removes it like a dream. So I use this one. This is like my first step. Whenever I want to cleanse, whenever I want to like scrub my face, I usually go in with either of these. This is the Face Shop White Seed, and this is the Jeju Volcanic one. Now this is a scrub. I do not use this on everyday basis. Only when I feel like okay, I've used too much of makeup, I need to scrub it off, which is usually once or twice a week. You do not want to scrub your face every single day. This is what I use to scrub my face currently, and I like it. I think that it is like a huge proportion. I've been using this one for almost 1.5 years, and I still haven't finished it. So you can tell how good it is, and the quantity you get is also really good. Now for the days when I feel like okay, I want to scrub my face but also I want to cleanse my face, I use the White Seed one. Now this is very different from the Jeju one. Jeju one is the like a hard scrub, but the White Seed one is a mixture of the scrub and a cleanser. So you do not want to use again like a cleanser after this. This is an exfoliating cleansing foam, which is a great 2-in-1 product, especially when you're traveling. I know no one is traveling, but still, if you want like a great 2-in-1 product, definitely take this one with you. It like scrubs your face into a very like delicate way, but also cleanses it. So yeah, this is what I use it when I don't feel like cleansing my face. I do not again use this every single day because it does give like a little bit of exfoliation properties in it. And then once that is done, Sometimes I use like this daily exfoliation cleanser. Now Cetaphil says that you can use it as a daily exfoliator. I use it sometimes on my face, probably like once a week. Also, do not wear makeup every single day, so I do not scrub my face every single day. So this is also other alternative which I am reaching out as of now. Now let's say if on that day I do not want to scrub my face at all, I just remove my makeup and use the Cetaphil moisture cleanser which I've used in the morning, and that's it. I remove my makeup in that way. Now moving on towards toners. Next step is toners. For my night time, I have been watching so many videos on BHAs, AHAs, all of that. So some days, again, I use the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. Now this is a liquid exfoliant which you can use as a toner or a serum. Now this is perfect for all skin types. It says that it unclogs pores, shrinks them, smoothens and evens skin tone. So this is what I use twice a week, I would say, because I do not want to exfoliate, especially with liquid exfoliants, BHA liquid exfoliants, do not want to exfoliate it every single day. I do make sure that I use it alternatively, or like 2 or 3 times a week. So this is what I use, and BHAs are good for acne and unclogging pores and pigmentation, and basically BHAs go deep into your skin and remove all the dirt from within, and they bounce it back onto your skin. Now as I said, I have been using AHAs, BHAs, and niacinamides. So the thing with these active ingredients is, if you are a very beginner and if you want to start AHAs, BHAs or any of these products, then you should not, okay, the first thing is, do not use it twice a day, and do not start using it like as a, like, do not use it completely, do not use it every single day for day and night. Do not do that. That is the first mistake people do when it comes to when they start buying AHAs and BHAs. They immediately start it in their skincare routine, which can be a lot for your skin. Look at it in this way. When you grow up, when you are a newborn baby, you first crawl, then you get up, you take 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, then you start walking, then you start running. You just do not go and run as a baby. You take the baby steps. So this is exactly what you are supposed to do in your skincare routine. I know the metaphor was crazy, but still, I did the same thing with the niacinamide. When I bought it, I used it first. In the first week, I used it every other day and used these hydrating products with it. Then once my skin got used to the niacinamide, I started using it only at night. I did not even use it at day, because it can be a little bit too much for your skin, as these are active ingredients which are on your skin, and sometimes it can be too much, so you do not want your skin to go through too much. So hence I did that. Now since I've said you that my acne has completely, I would say completely clear up, touch wood, I am stopping the niacinamide and I use the retinols. So again, the same thing goes with the retinols. I have the Dermacos 0.3% retinols. Now, some of the advantages of retinols are that it diminishes fine lines and wrinkles, helps in collagen production, resurfaces the skin texture for a smoother, even toned look. It reduces pigmentation of your skin, helps in acne, all of that stuff. But basically, this is a 0.3% retinol, and retinols are also called as vitamin A. But again, the thing of such, you might be like, okay, Urvi, this is such a perfect product, why do you not want to use it every single day? There are side effects when it comes to this. So when it retinols, it can be a little bit drying on your skin. I have felt that. Again, when it comes to retinols, you have to be cautious. Like the other active ingredients, this is also called as vitamin A, and according to my research, what I've seen is that people definitely recommend using this every other day rather than every single day, because you need to make sure that your skin gets used to it. Again, the percentage whatever you buy of retinols or AHAs or niacinamide, anything should be very low in the start. You cannot just jump onto 10% zinc niacinamide or like 1% retinol, 8% AHA. Please do not do that. So I have started off with a very small amount, which is 0.3%. I think the highest is 1, which is, I am not even going to touch that, because it can be a bit too much for your skin, and if your skin can react bad to it. Again, retinol with higher percentage of products is probably recommended by a dermatologist. So if you have major skin issues, make sure to ask your dermatologist before buying a retinol. Now I am incorporating retinol into my nighttime skincare routine as a serum. This is a retinol serum. I use it every 2 days, like after every 2 days I am using it as of now. And when I don't use retinol, I am using the 8% AHA gel exfoliant serum by Paula's Choice. This is the 8% glycolic acid. Now again, if you know something or the other about skincare, or like something or the other about active ingredients, you know that AHAs are basically like the low level, then you get the BHAs. It is like that. So this is an AHA, an 8% AHA. Again, 8% AHA is too much. I have made my skin use this, I would say for a month. I think I've been using this one since February, I would say. So I've been using this on and off and made my skin used to it. Now I use it like 2 days when there is a gap in between the retinols. So I use it for 2 days, then the retinol, then 2 days this. So this is again AHA's help in smooths your fine lines and wrinkles, evens out skin tone, and helps in acne. So this is one of the reason again why I use AHAs, which can go into my skin. Now once you have used AHAs, BHAs, or any of the active ingredient serums on your skin, you need to really hydrate and moisturize your skin after that. And for the hydration, I am using the Believe True Cream Aqua Bomb. This is literally the best hydrating moisturizer I have ever used as a nighttime thing. Like, this is a gel. I don't know if you can see, I will insert a clip, which is like a light blue gel. And again, as the Belief Hungarian Essence, this one has helped me insanely to hydrate my skin. So this is what I have been using as a moisturizer, just to balance out all of the thing that is going on, all of the treatment that is going on my face. Now other thing which I have seen people do is that, let's say if you do not want to use too much of the products, and if you have sensitive skin but you still want to try out AHAs and BHAs, what people do is take the moisturizer on the back of their hand, spray a little bit of the serums, can be retinol, BHAs, anything, mix it up, and then apply it on their face, so that the ingredients get diluted with the moisturizer and it is not that harsh on your skin, it is not that heavy on your skin. You can try this step if you want. Once all of this is done, I use a eye cream. Now for my eye cream, I either use the Belief moisturizing eye balm and the Lara Adatta Arise wrinkle repair eye cream. I use either this one, but I gravitate towards this one because it is like a gel based consistency and it performs really well on my eyes, so I use the Belief one. I know it is a lot of work, but honestly, after I did all of my research and I started applying these products to my skin with precaution, with calculating it properly and everything, I definitely saw a difference. I will insert before and after photos so you can see like the difference in my skin, my acne, how it has just went down, it has calmed down, and how it is looking all perfect and fine right now. If you want a detailed review on the niacinamide one, stay tuned. I am posting that video very soon in this Vlogmas series. I am posting 31 videos this month, so make sure you're subscribed and following me on Instagram, because there are so much more content coming to you. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on my next one. Till then, bye.